Did you know Albert Einstein's greatest love story began with a simple letter to his cousin? After his painful divorce, Einstein felt broken and alone, but in 1912 he wrote to his widowed cousin Elsa, and something magical happened. Their letters turned into passionate love notes. He called her his little angel and said she gave him the peace he needed to change science forever. Even though marrying your cousin was shocking back then, they didn't care what people thought. Elsa became Einstein's superhero. She protected him from crowds, answered his mail, and believed in him completely. When the Nazis forced them to flee Germany, she helped build their new life in America. For 17 beautiful years, she was his rock. Einstein said Elsa was his island of peace, and that without her love and support, he never could have made his amazing discoveries. Behind every genius is someone who sees their magic before the world does. True love doesn't just change hearts, it changes history.